This video will go over the Reports Overview report, which summarizes the location and content of reports to help users choose the best report for their needs. For more information about specific reports, please refer to our FUDSChem Report Overviews playlist, linked in the description. This report is available at the bottom of the Reports menu for easy access. Go to Reports, Reports Overview. The report will automatically run, showing all options. You can choose to hide reports with non-approved data, or select specific menu locations or reports from the drop-downs. The report includes report name, internal name, typically listed in the bottom corner of reports. Report names may change over time, but internal names will always remain the same. Menu location, where to find the report in the menu. Access, the permissions group which can access the report. Note that reports that you do not have access to will not be visible to you. Description, what the report contains. Notes. We can read through the report to find options that meet our needs, or use the search box at the top to help us find good options. For example, most final chemistry reports do not show rejected data. If we type reject into the search box and click find, we can easily see which reports include rejected data. All of our reports can be saved in various formats by clicking the floppy disk icon. If you have any questions or suggestions for items to add to this report, please reach out to your Synectics point of contact. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.